Guys, Ride Pro back again, another bike for sale. Check this thing out, 2006 Honda Goldwing Trike. Bike is custom painted. It's orange with metal flake all over the entire bike, and these ghost flames. Paint's in excellent condition. Had a couple people looking at this thing already, and we're complimenting the quality of this paint job. Bike is also just super clean, no rust, no damage. There's a paint chip right here, right there, so that could be touched up. There's another paint chip right here, so a couple little imperfections there, nothing serious. A lot of extra chrome on it. It's even got those ghost flames there around the Goldwing emblem. Really nice custom seat. Well, it's a stock seat, but they added this insert, snake skin or something, crocodile, I'm not sure what that is. Bike's gorgeous. This is an 06. It's got a Lehman trike kit. I don't know if this video will show the metal flake in this paint job. Looks really good. But yeah, take a look at all these buttons, all the controls. Just super clean. They're not worn down. There's no rusted bolts. This bike's definitely been kept indoors its whole life. It's got very low miles on top of it. Let's see, 18,600 miles. Has the easy steer already on it. Got the running boards. Chrome wheels on the back, and the front wheel is chrome as well. I'll show you that in just a minute. Tires are good, just like new. Probably 80% tread life would be a safe bet there. Look at this thing. I love these Lehman trike kits because they have a huge trunk. I love how the door opens up. You look through the pictures that I took. You'll see that I opened it up and took a picture of the inside. Really nice, really clean in there. Another chrome wheel on this side, obviously. More chrome, frame covers, engine covers, valve covers, highway foot pegs, aftermarket floorboards. At the backrest with the cup holders. Those are really nice and expensive. There's a little paint chip there. Looks like someone may have had a strap or something. That's typically where you strap the bike, and the strap will tend to hit right there. Unfortunately, that is there, very small. Someone's already touched it up. Just an awesome bike, awesome paint job. A lot of extra chrome. Here's that front wheel. Take a look at that. I don't know if the video's doing it justice or not, but it's really neat. It helps these quite a bit when you have that. It's also got the chrome engine cover back there. All of these light up. This as well. It's got some extra lighting on it. Just a nice bike. 2006 Lehman trike kit. 18,000 miles. Burnt orange. Located here in Tampa, Florida. This is Ride Pro. We sell bikes all over the country, all over the world. We got one going to Germany this week. So any questions about that, the shipping process or the buying process, give us a call. We're at 813-615-1700. Be happy to help you guys out, answer any questions you may have, take extra videos, take extra pictures, whatever needs to happen. Every bike we sell has a clean title. You can always fly into Tampa Bay International, pick this bike up, ride it home yourself, make a little weekend out of it. Had a lot of people do that lately just due to the weather. So that's an option, or we can set up shipping. We use a handful of shippers, all licensed, insured, enclosed. They'll deliver these bikes right to your front door. Something like this, probably right around $600. And yeah, pretty easy to do. So, any questions about this one? Well, forgot to start it. Why don't we do that? Of course, it runs perfect. It's a Goldwing, and it only has 18,000 miles. Radio works. Everything works. It's got reverse. It's got the easy steer again. It's got disc brakes in the rear. Very, very nice bike, guys. 2006. So there it is. Our website, if you want to send us an email or have any questions and don't want to call us, is www.myridepro.com. myridepro.com. Again, our phone number, 813-615-1700. 813-615-1700. It's a nice one. If you like this color, you don't want to miss out. I've never seen one done up quite like this. So, as always, thanks for watching.